Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chapter 6, Section 5. This is compound inequalities using the word OR. With compound inequalities using the word OR, they're going to give you OR right in the center of our inequality. So what we've got is we still have two inequalities, and if we take a look over here, we have x is less than -1 or x is greater than 2. Okay, and so how this will look when we graph this, we're going to have x is less than -1 or x is greater than 2. All we have to do is we just graph what we see. So we have x is less than -1. So that's -1, that's an open circle. That's going to be shaded to the left. We have x is greater than +2. We have a circle, open circle at 2, and we are shaded to the right. If you notice the difference between and or, ands overlapped as far as the shading goes, ors have no overlapping at all. It has to be either or it has to be less than -1, or it has to be greater than +2. It can't be in the middle. Okay, so we take a look at the other example. We have y is less than or equal to 0, or y is greater than 5. We've got our two lines here. We're going to treat this first one closed circle at 0, shaded to the left, open circle at 5, and it's shaded to the right based off of the way the arrows are pointing, and we have it graphed there. Okay, so with these two examples here, we're going to solve each one individually and then graph them on the same graph. So we have x minus 4 is less than or equal to -3, or we have 2x is greater than 8. So we're going to plus 4 here. We're going to plus 4 here. That's going to give us x is less than or equal to 1. And we have the or. Here it's 2 times x, so we're going to divide by 2. So that's going to give us x is greater than 4. So then when we graph this, we graph each one individually on the same graph. We've got a closed circle here at 1, shaded to the left. And then we have an open circle here at 4, and it is shaded to the right. We can also have two-step inequalities here. So we have 3x plus 1 is less than 4, or we have 2x minus 5 is greater than 7. So we're going to basically split this down the middle, solve each one individually. This is a -1 from each side first. That gives us 3x is less than 3. We divide by 3. So we have x is less than 1. And this is plus 5 plus 5. And that gives us 2x is greater than 12. We divide by 2. X is greater than 6. So now we're going to graph each of these individually. Open circle shaded to the left at 1, open circle at 6, shaded to the right. And we have there all of our normal rules for solving inequalities still apply, and we go from there. Okay, this has been solving inequalities, compound inequalities using the word or. Solve each individually and then graph them on the same graph. Make sure you watch and rewatch these videos, get the notes taken down, use these to help you with your homework. Have a good day.